In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Shopify dropshipping in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business owner looking to expand into the e-commerce arena, Shopify offers a comprehensive platform that makes setting up a dropshipping business straightforward and efficient. First things first, let's navigate to Shopify's homepage. Once there, you're going to need to log into your account. If you don't already have one, it's essential to sign up and get your Shopify journey started. You'll find the login button usually at the top right corner of the homepage. This is your gateway to accessing your Shopify backend, where all the magic happens. Next, you're prompted to enter your email address. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, use an email that you check regularly, as Shopify will send you important information about your store, orders, and any updates that you wouldn't want to miss. After keying in your email, the next screen will ask for your password. Enter it and click Login. Make sure your password is strong to keep your account secure, combining numbers, letters, and special characters. Once inside your Shopify dashboard, click on My Store. This area is essentially the heart of your operation, allowing you to manage products, orders, and analyze your sales data, among other things. Now let's talk about branding. Shopify provides a wealth of themes to choose from to make your store stand out and resonate with your target audience. Navigate to the Themes section under Online Store. Spend some time browsing through the available options. When you find one that aligns with your vision, click on Try Theme. Each theme can significantly impact how your store looks and feels, so choose wisely. After selecting a theme, click on Customize. This is where you can inject your brand's personality into your store. From adjusting color schemes to modifying layout options, take your time to get acquainted with the customization settings. Remember, the first impression matters a lot in e-commerce. Now you might want to tweak some more detailed settings within your theme. For this, go to Theme Settings. You can adjust your social media links, fonts, and checkout settings here, tailoring the browsing and shopping experience to match your brand and your customers' preferences. Let's pivot to adding products to your store. Click on Products from your dashboard, and then Add Product. Here you'll input details like product descriptions, prices, and images. Make your product descriptions engaging and informative, and ensure your images are high quality to entice customers. After populating your store with products, it's time to think about how you'll get paid. Navigate to Settings, and then select Payments. Shopify has made it seamless to integrate with various payment gateways, offering your customers flexibility and security when they make purchases. Another crucial element of e-commerce is how you get your products to customers. For that, you'll set up your shipping and delivery settings. Go to Settings and choose Shipping and Delivery. Here you'll define your shipping rates, zones, and methods. This stage is vital to ensure a smooth flow of goods to your customers, enhancing their shopping experience. Lastly, consider setting up a domain for your store. Having a custom domain not only adds credibility to your business, but also makes it easier for customers to remember your site. To set this up, go to Settings and select Domains. You can purchase a new domain through Shopify, or connect an existing one if you already have it. Congratulations. You've now laid the foundation of your Shopify dropshipping store. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. It's about iterating, learning from your customers, and continually optimizing your store for better performance. E-commerce is an exciting field with lots of potentials to grow, and with Shopify, you're equipped with a powerful tool to make your mark. Keep experimenting with different products, marketing strategies, and keep refining your store based on the feedback and data you gather. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you found these insights useful as you embark on your Shopify dropshipping business. Here's to your success and happy selling.